Welcome to this video where we're going to do some breath work to calm an agitated mind and soothe the nervous system. We're going to do 10 rounds of a balancing breathing practice, breathing in for the count of 4 and breathing out for the count of 4. And we're going to use a breath called ocean breath. And this is where we contract the glottis in the back of the throat to create a gentle whispering that sounds a little bit like the ebb and the flow of ocean waves. If you've ever fogged up a mirror, you'll know what this feels like. So you can place your hand in front of your face and imagine that you are fogging up a mirror, and you open your mouth and okay. So we're going to do the same action, but this time with the mouth closed. So you still open the back of the throat as if you're fogging up your mirror, and it sounds like this. And then we're also going to do that on the in-breath too, so it sounds a bit like this. Ocean breath helps us to control the flow and the rate of the breath, but it also creates a gentle vibration in the throat which stimulates and harmonizes the vagus nerve, activating our parasympathetic nervous system. And all that means is that it creates a sense of ease and balance, and we start to unwind. So parasympathetic is our rest and digest, and this breath just helps us to rebalance. So we're going to do 10 rounds of ocean's breath to calm the mind and soothe the nervous system. So we're going to start by sitting in a comfortable position with the back upright but not tense, and making sure that you've got plenty of room for your lower lungs especially to expand into the belly. We're going to be breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. And as you breathe in and out, we're going to direct the breath down into the belly. So you'll feel the belly expand as you breathe in and relax and release as you breathe out. So let's start on 3, 2, 1, ocean breath. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 3, 2, 1. 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 In, out. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 3, 2, 1. In, out. In, out. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 3, 2, 1. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 3, 2, 1. And letting go of ocean breathing now, and letting your breath find its natural rhythm again. Taking a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe closing your eyes if they're not already closed, or softening your gaze. And affirming, I release the fear of failure. I know there is no such thing as failure, just steps on the way to success. And when you're ready, opening your eyes, taking a lovely deep breath in. And as we release, embracing the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me.